Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how we can hard reset the Huawei FreeBuds S82. So it's like really simple. So you're gonna have them both in a case, and then you want to press this left side here on the left earbud and right side here, this part here. So what you want to do now is just like press it together. And for like 15-20 seconds. See? And now it blinked to the red. Now you know that it has been factory resetted. So this is something that you can do. And this is how you're gonna reset the FreeBuds S82. So thank you very much for watching. If you can have any questions, so let me down below in the comments. So again, you're gonna take it and you're gonna have it from the left and from the right. And that's how it's going to be done. So thank you very much for watching. And have a great day and goodbye.